Our today's topic is European expansion, lesson 2. Some learning objectives are: define the major trades that attracted Europeans to other continents. Define the line of demarcation. Traders interested in: the first thing that attracted European traders was the spices, which did not originate in any of the European countries. Why did they use spices? Spices to flavor food, to preserve food, for perfumes, for medicines. Originated from an island of Indonesia, Muslims and Italians were the traders. Exploration of trade routes attracted the Portuguese. They set their own journeys. Ships tried to reach the western coast of Africa. After lots of suffering, they reached into India. They started their first trading empire. The Spanish were also interested in ruling new lands. They sponsored Christopher Columbus' journey to Asia. Columbus reached new lands. Explaining the line of demarcation, Pope of Spain set a line of demarcation to divide the globe into two parts. Spain would have right to the lands of the west, while Portugal would rule the lands to the east of the line. What might the conquerors do in the new lands discovered? They wanted to trade their gold with slaves, goods and tools, etc. They sought control over more trade networks. They diminished the powers of the Arabs. What trade attracted the Europeans the most? That of slaves. Why? The trade of slaves worked on plantation, luxury for rich peoples. Effects of the trade: number of people in Africa became less. Trade of slaves increased. States disappeared. Traders controlled other states. What happened to Portuguese states? They weakened. They were controlled by other powers such as the Dutch, British and French. The first European settlement in Africa. The first real settlement was set in Cape Town. The Dutch settled and later became residents there. Later they extended into other areas and fought with African groups. This often happens with many people who go first to a country to settle in it, and then with time they became resident of such places. The Dutch acted as though they are God's chosen population, and they treated the Africans as inferiors. Thank you so much. Hopefully you understand the lesson.